Keep clapping for a man of honor, a man of integrity. These people have been trained for only 1 month. As a military officer myself, if I have to assess them without patronizing them, the performance I've seen here today for a training of 1 month, I think I'll score them very, very, very high above average. So I want to congratulate everybody that took part in the training of these people and to particularly appreciate the state government and the initiators of this great idea. I took over recently from Ojo Military Cantonment as a commander, and one of the things I noticed last before the student went on break was truancy. Children come very late to school. 9 o'clock, we still see students running around going to school. So when I came, I got the letter yesterday to represent my commander here, and when I heard that one of the initiatives, one of the key principles behind this great initiative was to attack, will I say that, put it that way, truancy among children in school, and I felt that God had answered my prayer. And sincerely, I look forward to having them deployed in most, if not all, of the schools in Ojo Cantonment. I congratulate you once more. Thank you very much. Mama Lady.
In person of Oba of Ajasa, thank you very much. Every day you always assist. So I keep on telling you. Know the other time I said I will be one of the Olores. But today, because engineers should be around, I withdraw it. Engineers will I observe all protocol. Then I greet my Oga, Igu. You're welcome, sir. And the special discipline corps members. I greet you, ladies and gentlemen. Cadets, morning, cadets. Morning, sir. I know you are dozing, you are sleeping. Morning, cadets. Morning, sir. That's better. As I normally address the cadets, you know, your corps or the corps is named discipline corps. You have to continue to maintain discipline right from here. That is for the cadets. When you maintain the normal discipline everywhere, they will respect us. Morning, cadets. Morning, sir. Now, coming back to the parents, please, you know discipline starts from home, especially from the mothers. And I'm sure you saw what the short drama. So please, you parents, tomorrow you are in England, you want to buy this, you want to buy that to sell, please, stay at home, teach your children, teach them the normal behavior. If you have disciplined your children right from home, in the school, I'm sure you have minimized our work, you have minimized the work of the teachers and the principals. And coming back to the community itself, please, our fathers, our royal fathers, I implore you, sir, please, always call all these people, I mean the parents, always address them, appeal to them to take care of their children so that they won't be menace to Lagos State. Your Royal Highness, sir. And to the government, you can see what the government of our Excellency, Ebu Father Raji Fashola, giving us the chance for this placard. Let us all cooperate with this man. He has been marvelous in Lagos State. Am I not communicating? So please, let us maintain discipline in Lagos State. For now, I rest my case. Thank you.
All of us can witness what happens today. Before this gentle
ladies, brothers are together in this business of curbing recklessness of our children in our society. I'm telling you, in the next few months or years to come, you will see a disciplined society. If not because of the situation in the country now, all things that are happening, they are not far from indiscipline, especially on violence. But if you look at it, if they are well disciplined on the other side, they will have known that discussing it will be a better way of getting solution to the matter. Now the matter is now a problem of everybody in Nigeria. Let's start now, let your hands together and make sure that discipline is given all the assistance needed so that we can get to where we are going. At the same time, I recognize His Excellency Governor Babatunde Raji Fashola, all the executive officers of the corps, and at the same time our able chief and all other people that are here today that witness this occasion, and I say it shall be well with you all.
We will not go to Manchester to take the time, but let me quickly say that the Center for Discipline and Peace Initiative is a registered organization with the Office of Youth and Social Development. I today proud of them, and I want to commend their initiative. I asked my neighbor here that is it very common to see a lady leading a parade? And the answer he gave me is that well, it's not all that common. In other words, what we are witnessing today is more or less what a man can do, a woman can do. I thank you very much for this exercise. And to the cadet, let me say, you are more or less here to complement the effort of the state government. We are addressing the level of moral decadence in our society, communities, and so on. Government alone cannot do it. That is the essence of having an organization, a vibrant one for that matter, like the Center for Discipline and Peace Initiative, that stands to complement the effort of His Excellency the Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babatunde Raji Fashola. Once more, I invite you to keep the flag flying, and I believe when next you have us here, the number will be times 3 for 12 days. Thank you very much, and God bless. To return households, we've been working for women. But I want to hand over the microphone. I'll be committing a sort of royal dishonesty if I don't allow the Oba of Atasa. Okay, let me hand over to the Baale of Abba.
Because tradition doesn't allow to address in English. So ní orúkọ àwọn bàbá níkàlẹ̀ àti àwọn bàbá nílé wọ́n ní kàkí gómìnà wa púpọ̀ wípé eléyìí tó ń ṣe yìí Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ máa fún wọn ní iṣẹ́ rere ṣe sí eléyìí tó tún ṣe yìí ó fi hàn wá wípé ìfẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Èkó ó ṣe pàtàkì nínú ọkàn wọn nítorí àwọn ní ọjọ́ ọ̀la wà ní ọmọ tí ò bá fojú sí ìwé ẹ̀ àbí tí ò dúró ti ọmọ náà láti kàwé ọmọkọ́mọ ló máa yà àdẹ̀fẹ́ ọmọkọ́mọ ní Èkó rárá. A kí corps commander wa ọ̀gá wa àwa àwọn bàbá ní iwájúwájú ní ọ̀pẹ́ ìbìtì ní màmá rí sí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ oníṣẹ́ ẹni tó bá forí bì lópin Abẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ bàbá ẹ̀yin náà lè máa jèrè iṣẹ́ yìí o òun ní fẹ́ lómi ṣe yín àwọn ọmọ ìwòyí ó dọwọ́ ẹ̀yin náà nǹkan kó iṣẹ́ tó fẹ́ ràn yín iṣẹ́ Nàìjíríà lọ́fẹ́ jẹ́ iṣẹ́ ìjọba ìlú Èkó òun lọ́fẹ́ lọ jẹ́ discipline corps ẹ̀yin fún ara yín a gbọ́dọ̀ rí discipline lára yín kẹ́tọ́ discipline èèyàn ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ discipline ara yín Olúwa Elédùmarè a máa ṣọ́ yín ẹ ní kàgbákò ọmọ òkúláwọ oníkọlà eléyìí tẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹ̀ ní kùsì ọwọ́ yín lè máa fi bẹ̀tọ̀ yín kábíyèsí bàbá àbọ̀désà.
Adẹ̀dúpẹ́ pé abẹ̀rẹ̀ pé Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ fún wa ṣe. Àwọn ọmọ tó wà ń jẹ olórí àwọn náà lákòókò tí wọ́n ní nǹkan dáradára ló ń wọ̀ lọ́wọ́. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ látọ̀dọ̀ gómìnà wa tàbí àwọn tó fi òun náà síbẹ̀ tí wọ́n mú ètò dání náà bí èkó ṣubú. Ọlọ́run máa wà pẹ̀lú wọn. Ó tẹ̀lé jẹ́ pé àrùn lárúkọ gbogbo wọn. Alábẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ọmọ gómìnà Ládi Fáṣọlá torí àwọn bàbá rẹ̀ fi sílẹ̀ wọ́n lè dúró tì aláàdúró ti gbogbo yìí o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ẹgbẹ̀lẹ́ ọlọ́run abẹ́rẹ́ sí láti máa fi tún ìgbésí ayé ṣe ẹ̀ ní kùnà o ẹ̀kọ́ náà tán kọ yín a máa yé yín sí ni ẹ̀ ní ṣe ìdí òdà ẹ bá tí wọ́n fi ṣe eré wọ̀nyí àwọn èèyàn dáadáa ni wọ́n láti inú àwọn ìlú wọn wá orí ló jẹ́ káwọn náà lè máa ṣe dáadáa olórúkọ wa tó kó àjọ síbí lẹ́nì òkè púpọ̀ ẹ̀kú rí orí rẹ̀ yẹn abá ìkálẹ̀ ó ní ṣe ìṣe òdà ó rẹ̀ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ ńgbọ̀ dáadáa tó ń ṣe ẹ̀rọ máa ṣe lọ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló máa fi gbẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ sálẹ̀ náà ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ gbogbo agbátágbátá la máa ṣoríire o látọkùnrin àtòkùnrin tó wá dúlé ní gbogbo wa la máa ṣoríire àwọn ọmọ akalẹ̀ torí ẹ̀wà náà àní sábà máa ń ìyá wa tí ó fẹ́ ìyá wa ṣòdì ẹ máa mọ̀ ṣe o ẹ kì í ṣe tí ò dá ẹ bá wa kí bàbá wa náà.
Thank you very much. Ká torí ẹ̀ tí kọ́sọ́lá torí ẹ̀ ta ṣe ìpínlẹ̀ lónìí ẹ kò ní jìnnà sí wa o. Kò rẹ̀ ní sú wa o. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́rẹ́ náà la máa rí o. Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀. Mo dúpẹ́ pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ Lagos State Government. Mo rẹ̀ dúpẹ́ pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ kó nǹkan tó ń ṣe lénìí. Ìrora náà tó tù wá o. Gbogbo Èkó ló máa rójú ló máa ráyè o. Àrírí wàhálà o. Gbogbo Nàìjíríà ló máa rójú tó máa ráyè o. A ò ní rí wàhálà o. Gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ wá lẹ́nu ní Nàìjíríà nípa àwọn oṣù oríṣiríṣi tó wù wọ́n. Tí Ọlọ́run ò lè fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ nítorí pé ẹni tó bá dúró láti máa gba ẹ̀mí ọmọ ẹnì kejì ẹ̀ kó ṣọ́ra. Torí gbogbo wa la mọ̀ bí tí àìkótó bá ṣe tó. A máa fi láyé sílẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ kan ni. Tí a dẹ̀ máa padà sọ́dọ̀ Olódùmarè tó dá wa. Báná tí pé àwọn akọ́lá nílé ayé yìí Ọlọ́run ló ti gbogbo ẹ̀rọ. Tí wàá lè fi wá wá sí dáadáa. Bá a ṣe wálé ayé àkàrà fún wa. Ká lè tó àbà fún wa o. Ẹ ṣe púpọ̀ òkú ìjókòó.
Ìlà lórí oyè ni àbí ń ṣètò ni àbí lè rí sọ kábíyèsí ẹ tún pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ ẹ ṣe 30 ẹ ṣe 40 lórí oyè ẹ ṣe 50 years lórí oyè àgbà 10,000 owó àdúrà. The Director, Special Duties, Lagos State Internal Revenue Service, is representing the Chairman, LIRS. Is none other person who stand up for recognition, Alhaji Kule Oseni, the man of integrity. You're welcome, sir. Without much ado, we will now be taking the oath of allegiance. I believe the old cadets have piled out.
You need to remove your headdresses, including special squad. Remove your beret with your left hand.
Exercise, after its completion, you automatically become an officer of the discipline corps as your training ends today. Remove your beret with your left hand and your right hand up like this. After me, if I say I, you mention your name. Did you get that? Do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Center for Discipline and Peace Initiative, the Discipline Corps, that I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Corps and the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to pursue, enhance, and implement the aims and objectives of the organization as contained in its Constitution, policy, in accordance to the law, without fear or favor, affection, or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person, any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as an officer of this organization, except as may be required for due discharge of my duties, and that I will devote myself to the services and unity of Lagos State and Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. I hereby that's all. By the power conferred on me and in my capacity as the Chief Corps Commander, I hereby pronounce you officers of the Congratulations. You may raise your addresses.